Hello, my name is Lizzacris and I'm going to present my ideas and design for my chosen channel. In these slides, I'll be introducing the channel that I chose, the goals or concept that I'm aiming for, research that I've applied in my designs. I'll also be going through my high fidelity designs and prototype with a walkthrough. Lastly, the conclusion of this project. For this project, I've decided to innovate self-checkout. Self-checkout has been a huge help to consumers to provide independency and retailers to have a smooth and easy transaction. However, I believe that there's still some ways to make this more innovative and more user-friendly. For designing this tech, the goals that I want to achieve is to be able to make the people with disability able to use self-checkout. Moreover, organizing and making more suitable UI components to the consumers. And lastly, making differences within the functions of the machine but still have the familiarity of the original self-checkout to not overwhelm the consumers, especially the elderly. Before designing the components, I have researched on what the consumers felt about using the current self-checkout. In a CBC article, a blind woman named Kelly Pico tried to use self-checkout. Unfortunately, she had a hard time scanning a pack of Jam Jams as she can't see the scanner or even the barcode of her purchased item. Another article from Vox website talks about the pain points of the consumers when using the machine, especially when the customers decide to steal or put the product on a cheaper price. There's a lot of cases of thieves in self-checkout and it continues to increase. I'd also like to add my own experience. As a young adult and familiar with technology, using self-checkout is sometimes hard to use. There are some self-checkouts in grocery stores that includes too much buttons or overwhelming layout of the components, which challenge me to have a quick and easy checkout. The link of the two articles will be at the end of the slide. Additionally, I've added a video which shows how a customer uses the self-checkout. The contestants are a senior who likes to use company services and are dependent, while the other one is a young adult who likes to do things in his own way. The video was made in 2016 and it shows the problems that still occur today. I recommend watching the video first before moving forward. In the video, we have seen how Cody struggles to scan the products, and every time he needs to call an attendant to help him with putting in the code. Bonnie, on the other hand, was able to go and buy her purchased items with the help of the cashier. With this, it demonstrates huge differences between cashiers and machine. People prefer human touch when giving services because they're more accurate and more reliable. However, with the increase of technology in this era, I believe there should be changes and innovations to machine to keep up with the needs of the customers. And to start help with the frustrations and solve the problems of the customers regarding self-checkout, I've made a few adjustments for a better user experience. To help with the customers like Kelly Pico, I've decided to add a no label button. With this function, the customers can simply put the item on the scanner, and a camera that will be installed on the lower part of the main screen will scan the item. With this, the customers won't need a hard time putting in the code or call an attendant to help them. Next is the search product. It still has the same components as the original version, but for this one, I've added a way for the customers to see the items while they search. With this, customers will have an efficient way to search products and more easy way to see the items that they search. Moreover, if the customer search the item and the machine scan a different item, the machine will alert the customer to try again or let itself scan the product. This helps prevent thieves and misinformation about products, giving accurate prices to the customers. When checking out, there are some customers who want to have their receipt on their emails. So with this function, the customer will have the option to type their email or scan a QR code. where it will automatically send the receipt on their phone. This helps customers to feel more secure and more comfortable in using self-checkout. Additionally, I've added some features to assist the customers in every way. Here we have a language translator. People whose English is not their first language can feel at ease using self-checkout and understanding more about the step-by-step process. On the side, we can see recent use of languages. This helps customers to quickly find the language they're comfortable with. Next, we have disability assistance. For helping the people on the wheelchair, a second screen is added. This is efficient as the angle of the main screen is not applicable from their view distance. This screen will be activated when the customer holds the button for 3 seconds. Another assist is the Braille code. This will be for the start button, other buttons on the assist feature, no label button, and for the payment methods. When a customer chooses to start using the Braille code, the machine is informed that the customer is a person with a disability. In any case that the customer feels they need some help, customer can let the machine call the attendant. A loading icon is added to be more engaging and visually show the customers to wait. When the employee arrives, they will scan their ID to let the machine know that they have arrived and ready to help. With this, it lets the customer become more patient and not get frustrated looking around waiting in front of a plain text alert. To see an overall layout of my design, I've added a link for my prototype and a video walking through and showing how each UI components is used. To conclude, I believe that with the new features, self-checkout has become more user-friendly and more accessible to any kinds of customers. Each UI component let the customer feel that they can independently scan their purchased items. With each new function, customers would be able to be confident in using the self-checkout and provide better help to retailers to have a secure and efficient checkout machine. Here are the sources of the articles that I've talked about and the video that I've added. That's all I have for this presentation. Thank you very much.